Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can verify your PayPal account. So first, what you want to do is of course go to this website, the website of PayPal, which is paypal.com, and you will be directed here. And as you can see, if you want to read more about PayPal, then you can just scroll down right here and you would see all about PayPal. But now let's go for sign up. I'm going to show you how to sign up first. Here, there are two account types in PayPal. Currently, there is personal and business account. Depends on what you want or what you need. So these are the benefits of a personal account. Shop online, send and receive payments globally, shop with confidence, with buyer protection. And for the business account, you can send and receive payments under a business name and 24/7 online fraud monitoring and consumer protection, and no setup, monthly or yearly fees. So that's it. Let's say we want to go for personal account, and in here it will ask you what is your work or what was about you. And then you should just choose here what best describes you. So that's it. Then it will proceed to your login details and more infos about you, but it's really short, direct, and straightforward. So you won't have any problems dealing with it. It's very quick and simple. So let's go now to business account just to show you. And in here, there will be a security challenge because we've been doing it frequently. And let's just solve this one. Here. There. And now we're here. It won't ask for your details as a business, your first name, last name, email address, and password. After this, once you have submitted this, it will direct you to the infos of your business that you have to fill up. That's what you have to do to register in a business account for PayPal. And now, if you already have an account, you can just simply go back here and press on login, and you need to provide your email. And the next one for this is the password. So now let's proceed to verifying our personal account. Let's say here, this is my personal account. And as you can see, I don't have any cards linked in my account, but still this account is verified. And as you probably know already, the best way to verify your account is through linking a bank account or card, but this account does not have it. So how do you do that? It's simple. You just have to go here in settings, and you have to provide here your ID, maybe a national ID or driver's license. It would vary depending on your location or country. So once you have entered your ID here, you just need to make sure that you have transactions first here in your personal account. As you can see, I already have quite a lot. So that is what you need to have in order for you to be verified in your personal account in PayPal. And the first 3 transactions, I think it will be on hold. The funds will be on hold first by PayPal, just to ensure for security reasons that you're not a fraud or you're not doing anything illegal. And after that, after those 3 transactions that you have made in PayPal, then you are free to do whatever you want. PayPal won't ever hold your funds again unless your the sender will file a complaint or request a refund. Then the PayPal will hold the funds that is sent to your account. So here in a link a bank, if you want to link a bank account or link a child account, the easier way here is this bank account. I could recommend this because in here you don't have to do much confirmation after you have linked your bank account here, after you have provided the details for your bank account. While in here and link a card, it would take usually less than a week and at 3 to 7 days in order for you to verify your card here that it is yours, because PayPal will send you a charge of $20 if it hasn't changed yet. They will send you $20 and then they would refund it after you're verified so that you won't lose your $20 or your funds, it is just with a verification processes. It will be sent to you right away after verification. And that's it for the personal account. Now, let's proceed for the business account. And in here we have here. As you can see, the interface of business and personal are really different. As you can see, this is the interface of personal in the dashboard, while this is the one for business account. It's really different, so you can really tell if you are using a business account or a personal account. So as you can see here, I haven't added my personal info because just as I said earlier in the registration, you have to provide your info first so that if this one would not appear, you would be verified. And that's what you have to do so that you can proceed more in if ever you want to go for PayPal, MasterCard, debit or credit, then you could do that if you get your information done. But now let's go to here in Pay and Get Paid. You want to go to your balance, and in here, the only way you can verify your business account is just to link a bank account or link a credit card account or debit card account. Then that is the only way you can verify your business account. So it's just like I said earlier, the most efficient way and the simplest way is to link a new bank account, because all you have to do is provide the details, and that's basically it. There might be confirmations and verifications, but it will be really simple compared to the cards here. If you link a new card here, it would save days or maybe weeks to get it verified, and we need to have a balance of $20 in your bank account. So I mean, in your card, so that PayPal can verify it. And that's it for linking your bank account and cards. And as you can see here in currencies, you can add a currency if you want. Of course, your business, you might want different currencies, so you can add here. And as you like your bank accounts here, more currencies will appear also. But if you want to manually add it, then you can just go here to add a currency. And yeah, that would help you. So let me just show you quickly on what happens when you win a new bank account, the details what you have to provide here. As you can see, bank code, account number. It's really simple. This is not my account, so I'm not going to provide one. And here, and link a card. Here, you need to provide your debit or credit card number, then card type will be any of this, and then your expiration date, security code, and just a heads up on the card type. I think it would vary depending on your location, or if not, then these are just your choices. And that's about it on how to verify your PayPal account. I hope this video helped you.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.